You could be dancing with yourself, but you're actually just having coffee with Dubs. Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Coffee with Dubs. Today, we are filming from a very different spot. If the background looks a little unfamiliar, that is because I am standing outside the Causeway Collision Center. You see, after months of waiting and watching, the paint on my car has been chipping away like a sad little snow globe shedding its glitter. And Hyundai has finally approved the warranty recall on it. So today, the car is going in for its makeover. It kind of feels good to start the week off this way because it's fixing something that's been kind of weighing on my mind for a long time. And it's kind of like, it's not pretty to look at. I mean, it's that in the back and it also does that in the front too. I mean, it's kind of unsightly, you know? So to have this fixed, it's nice. And maybe that's a good place to start our Monday talk. We're always saying Monday has a vibe. Monday is heavy. Monday is stressful. Monday is the villain of our weekly story. But here's the truth. Monday only carries the power we hand it. Monday is nothing more than a blank mirror, and what you see in that mirror is a reflection of the energy you're bringing to it.
And so today, instead of dragging our feet, we get intentional. We ask ourselves, what do we actually want reflected back at us? Peace, progress, gratitude, humor. A chance to reset. You choose the light, and that mirror is going to send that light right back at you. But sitting here in front of the Collision Center, I also realized something about that mirror. Sometimes you can't change everything in your life all at once. Sometimes you can only fix one thing right in front of you. One chipped panel at a time. One small repair at a time. One choice to see the bright side at a time. But every one of these choices adds up. Every one of these choices rewires your Monday.
And speaking of rewiring, last night on TikTok Live, we did something special. We got to sit together and draw the first 4 pages in our holiday Christmas quest. Watching Bolt take shape from a blank page to pencil sketch wasn't the most exciting thing, but the energy from the chat was unreal. You all showed up, some of you supported, a lot of you laughed, and you helped shape ideas. And because of that, this holiday story is already becoming something magical. So here's my ask for today. Be that emotional mirror. Reflect the world that you want to live in. Show Monday the light that you want to see in your whole week. Remember that even small repairs matter. Even slow progress counts. Even chipped paint can be made whole again. Now, take a sip of that coffee with me, and let's just set the tone. Today is not heavy. Today is not the villain. Today is our reset button. Today is our start of something bright. Cheers. I appreciate you for being here. Let's go build another good week together.